study to become a doctor?
Honestly, sobrang natuwa po ako kasi this is my first time to be doing a very light drama. Kasi halos buong buhay ko, buong career ko, very dramatic roles yung ginagampanan ko. Lagi pa akong umiiyak and everything. So I'm very, very happy to be doing a morning show. And for the contrabida part, natuwa ulit po ako kasi I'm always the good girl. Alam mo yun, ako yung lagi umiiyak and everything. So ngayon, ako yung magpapahirap. Ako naman, di ba? May iba naman. So, for a change, yes, tama. How did I study for this? Honestly, hindi ko, I mean, para sa akin, minsan hindi siya pag-aaralan eh. You just do what you feel is right. Siyempre, you have to give what the script is telling you to. Wala, lahat ng inis ko lang sa buhay, binubuhos ko dito. So, ayun, sana po effective at sana